Hello boss, this is two tractors. You see, very high, very big tire, so all the chassis is very high. And now we are loading this hydraulic system. This is our chief engineer. And the serial plate here. Chassis number here. The engine number is there, down there. The engine number is down there. We have to go through under to take the engine number. I've already done that. I will send you later. The second one here. One. And here's a chassis number. The same. Have to go down there to find the engine number. Okay, so almost complete. Everything here. 430 horsepower. Big tank, big tire.